Hello and welcome back. If you want to create professional AI videos, this lesson is for you. Before you can use any AI video generator, you first need to understand how professional prompts are created. Whether you're using Flow, Veo, Kling, Runway, Pika, or Hailuo, you first need one important thing: a well-structured prompt. That prompt tells the AI exactly what kind of video you want it to create. But have you ever asked yourself, why don't my AI videos look original? Why doesn't my character stay consistent? Why doesn't my character speak or behave the way I want? If you've been asking those questions, then you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you the exact framework I use to create professional AI videos that look consistent, cinematic, and realistic. This framework is built on 6 essential elements. Every professional AI scene I create follows these same 6 building blocks. Once you understand them, creating cinematic AI videos becomes much easier. And the last element is the most important of them all. Without it, your scene has no message. Let's begin with the very first element, your character. If you're creating a video using your own image or someone else's reference image, you must clearly describe that person. Tell the AI exactly who the character is before anything else. Mention the country, language, ethnicity, appearance, wardrobe, attitude, and overall behavior. The more detailed and consistent your description is, the more realistic your AI character becomes. A well-defined character creates better facial expressions, more natural gestures, and stronger conceit throughout your entire video. Consistency is what makes your content look truly professional. The second element is the camera. Here, you tell the AI exactly how the camera should film your scene. Should it be a medium shot, a close-up, or something more cinematic? The camera helps define how professional your video will feel. A close-up creates emotion. A medium shot feels natural. A wide shot shows the environment. Camera movement has a huge impact on how professional your AI video feels. The third element is your background. This is your environment. Describe exactly where your character is, because your background tells the AI where your story takes place. Your scene could be inside a premium podcast studio, an office, a classroom, a modern living room, or even outdoors. The important thing is to choose your environment carefully and make it fit your message. Keep your background consistent throughout your lesson unless you intentionally want to change locations. Consistency makes your entire production look clean, realistic, and professional. The fourth element is music. Music. Every great video creates an emotion. That's why you should always tell the AI what kind of background music or atmosphere you want. Your background music could be soft, emotional piano, inspirational cinematic music, a calm ambient tone, or even no music at all. The music should always support your message, never distract from it. The fifth element is your support image, also known as B-roll. This is one of the most powerful sections of your prompt because it helps people understand what you're saying. Whenever your character says something important, your visuals should reinforce that message. Every image should help explain what your audience is hearing. For example, if your character says, choose one platform, then your support image should show one highlighted social media platform while the others fade into the background. If your character says, trust creates opportunity, then display a creator gaining followers, engagement, and community support. Your visuals should always strengthen the message your audience is hearing. Your visuals should help viewers understand your message even without listening to the audio. Great support images make your lesson easy to understand, even when the sound is turned off. Always ask yourself one question: if someone muted this video, would they still understand what I'm teaching? If the answer is yes, then your support images are doing their job. The sixth and most important element is your dialogue. This is the exact script your character will speak. Without strong dialogue, your scene has no clear message. Don't summarize it. Don't rewrite it. Don't shorten it. Write exactly what you want your character to say in that particular scene. Your dialogue is the heart of every scene because it controls the message. Combine these elements, you have a complete professional scene. Don't try to generate an entire lesson in one prompt. Instead, build your video one scene at a time. That's how professionals create consistent AI videos. Generate each scene separately, then combine everything during editing. This gives you complete control over quality, consistency, storytelling, and the final result. One final piece of advice. If you're just starting your AI content creation journey, don't begin with long videos. Start small and build your confidence one project at a time. Choose a niche that allows you to create short, valuable, and informative videos. This helps you stay consistent, improve your skills faster, and build your audience with confidence. As you continue practicing, creating AI becomes easier and more enjoyable. In the next lesson, I'll show you and dramatically improve the quality of your AI videos. You won't want to miss it. Keep practicing, keep creating, and keep improving one scene at a time. Thank you for watching.